It's a manufacturing company in the dairy farming industry. We provide solutions to dairy farmers across the globe, ranging from Australia to Chile, from South Africa to Sweden. Technology-wise, when I started, we had a very rudimentary setup, and we have been working with the best of suite, best of platform approach since I joined. The key has been sort of cooperation and taking the time to sort of get people understanding that cybersecurity is not something that me and my team will fix for the company. It's something for everyone. And we have the tagline for the human risk management program, and security starts with me. So we're not saying that it starts with you, it starts with all of us. We have gone from basic, if you call it a traditional antivirus solution, to a more modern next-gen AV with endpoint protection and prevention platform. We actually did have Proofpoint when I joined. As part of the outsourcing journey, we decided to move away from Proofpoint, and we had the email gateway, which resulted in a situation that was not so very good, and then in itself resulted in us going back to Proofpoint a year later. We have GDPR or other data privacy legislations, and protecting our customers and employees' data is of course an important thing. Then we have intellectual property, such as new products or things that we are inventing. And with Trap and especially in that sense with Clear, we've really gotten a value of that people get feedback that thank you for reporting, we've deemed this as suspicious, thank you very much, or we see that this is a safe email, so we return the email to the reporter. I think that has been a really big improvement in the visibility. My colleagues in the organization, they're always surprised when I say that. So how many emails do you think we remove or discard on the way to your inbox for every one that you get? And we are discarding around 90% of the emails. And then on top of that, we have the built-in automation, which was fairly simple to set up. We have been working on those tap alerts, sort of human-centric security. I've always liked the ring of that, and sort of what it means to me is that it doesn't matter what security measures we implement. I mean, if you have a car, the safest car in the world, but someone is driving around without the seatbelt on, that's can have a serious impact on their health if they are in a car accident. And I think it's the same for with security. So I think that's, even though you're a large company, it's still, you get that family, sort of almost family feeling when you're working together, and then building a long partnership is the way forward and the way to success. Based on my personal experience and the experience for DeLaval in that sense, I would highly recommend sort of someone looking at Proofpoint